Good day viewers, today we'll be unboxing the latest in Edimax's range of home products. It's the Gemini RG21S multi-user MiMo gigabit home Wi-Fi roaming router. It's a dual band device with 800 megabits per second at 2.4 gigahertz, 1733 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz. Opening the box, first thing we'll find is our Wi-Fi client access card. This will give you your initial device SSID for easy setup using your browser. It has your CD, which has your user manual and installation guide on it, as well as a hard copy of the quick installation guide and a package contents summary. First look at the device, you can see that Edimax has really picked up the game when it comes to design. Quite a fancy grill on this unit, if I might add. Further packaging includes two antenna, 2.4 gigahertz antenna, two 5 gigahertz antenna. We've got our LAN cable as well as our 12 volt DC power supply. Looking at the unit, we've got our WAN port, we've got 4 LAN ports, our WPS button, as well as our input for the PSU. Setting up is quite easy to see where they distinguish with regards to the 2.4 gigahertz antenna needs to be connected, as well as the 5 gigahertz antenna where they need to be connected. And it's as simple as screwing these in as indicated. .4 in here, another 2.4 in here, finally another 5 gigahertz antenna in here. And this device can also be wall mounted with these 2 points on the sides. And then the antenna can just be adjusted as per your need or requirements. Finally, it should look something like this. So that's it from MiRO Distribution. As mentioned, our Edimax Gemini RG21S multi-user MiMo home Wi-Fi roaming router.